Zoisha. Holy vlogs. But anyways, I am at the mall. I just left work not too long ago and I have a wedding to go to next week, so I need to come and find a dress. So I'm on the hunt looking for a wedding dress right now, a wedding guest dress to wear to my cousin's wedding next week. So I have some options and I am going to try them on, and I want you guys to let me know what you guys think. I don't think this vlog is going to be up before the wedding. Actually, it might be. So either way, when it's tell me which one I think, this is just the first stop, but I always come to the store for like events and stuff like that because they always have a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, let go. This is just number one, y'all. I am fat in my belly area. Like, I hate this part. Like, you can see my belly button and almost everything. But yeah, I like this. The only thing is I have to look back on the invitation because there was like color restrictions, and I think blush or rose gold was one of them. So I'm not sure, but I like this. I just wish I had boobs, and I wish this wasn't so, but you know, nothing a little skunks can't hide. Yeah, got my panty not even draw up all the way it's true. Hold on there. Oh, it's so good you can't wear a good panty. This is very see-through, but anyways, this is it, and this is the back. I hate that I have this. Yeah, so maybe this is a no. Someone's in here. This is the back view. I really like it. It's cute. I love it. The details and stuff. But yeah. Next. Whoa. All right, so this is the next option. I don't really like it too much. I love the split, you know what I'm saying, but other than that, like, I'm fat. You can look at my cellulite. Jesus. I'm okay. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this one. You guys say hi to Zoel. But yeah, I'm gonna like that one here. None at all. Not at all. Not at all. And I seen this one on the website, and like coming in here and trying it on, baby, this is my favorite one. Yeah, like I'm not prettied up yet, but I love the one shoulder team cross. Yes, I like this one, you guys. The only problem now is that I need to find the shoes, because as you guys know, I can't wear heels. So yeah, but this is what this looks like. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about dress number 3. But so far, this one is in the women's. Yeah, and this is the last one. Yeah, this something you saw need figure. I forgot follow Shade 30 day till summer something. This one is not bad. I like the flow of it. I just not like how you still look like. I better me just go on like some breed. I'm gonna have a little excuse. You see me? I'm gonna look so cute when I'm pregnant. Just saying. Next year, not these times, but I mean, next year these times it could go on still, but yeah, like I'm gonna look so cute pregnant. Maybe I am, who knows. Anyways, yeah, back to the dress. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, just a regular simple dress. I don't know, I'm stuck on the blue one and the real low back first one with the bow thingy. Yeah, but comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and I'm out. I'm going home. Listen to me good, okay? The Toronto Raptors are the 2019 champions, okay? We just won the freaking finals! Bruh, if you hear the streets right now, I'm gonna drive and make on ear the streets right now, okay? Because the people them on the road right now, yo, it is crazy. The Raptors won the finals. Like, I've already heard firecrackers. Everybody is on the road. Like, nobody is at their yard. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? Nobody in the day of them yard. Yo, the Raptors won, you guys. You guys, we have never, ever, ever won. Ever. Man, for time in because police got up on the road. But yo, everybody's honking their horns like, bitch, the Raptors won. Like, I feel like crying how I'm so friggin' proud of these guys. Honestly, like, I'm so friggin' proud of them. Sorry if one can't see me, but at night time, it is after 12 o'clock. Oh, no, actually, it's not 12 o'clock yet. Almost 12 o'clock. Pretty much. Call it midnight. Call it the next day. Go to call it whatever you want to call it. But it's that day. All I know is that the Raptors won the finals. Brother. Finals! Yes! Yes, we won! Oh my God! Like, yo, what a time to be alive! What a time to be Canadian! Like, brother, we won the finals, dog. Yo, the Raptors won. I don't think you guys understand what that means for Canada. Like, I just want the dollar to go up. That's all that I want. I want the dollar to go up. I want us to have free shipping. I want us to have, you know what I'm saying? We deserve some perks. Like, give me a couple discount for my plane fare. For my plane fare. Yeah. Yes! You hear that shit? We won! Yo, you guys. Yo, as much as we love Jamaica, you know, so we love Canada because Canada for them. Yeah. But I'm so proud of the guys. I'm so proud of them. Like, I'm so proud. Just like, man, and you know, when can't really see me on base nonsense. But yo, it's lit. It's lit, yo. Like, we won the finals, dog. That's crazy. I never, like, in a million years seen or expected that. You know what I'm saying? But we won. Like, we won. And even in the the final part, like, after we won, like, when we should have won, like, they put more time back on the clock. But it was okay because, like, we just got more points and we just won a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? But we won. Go Raptors! Yes! Oh my God! Yo, I'd never seen my city come together the way we did for the fucking Raptors. Like, real talk. I'm sorry for all the cursing and stuff like that. But yo, you guys have to you guys have to understand, like, yo, this shit never happens for us. Like, yo, we're big, but we're bigger. Talk to us nice. Are y'all some up me, I go? Anyways, people, I reached my destination. So yeah.
Tell me, say the Raptors will win. What my mother know about basketball? Yo, got the Raptors to jail. You remember what you did us about Golden State? My nice clean brother who win Raptors. Come to Canada, okay? Yo, my city's lit, yo. Like there's bare knives outside. Maybe coming too far when I can't really hear it, but everybody's honking their horns. Like, I already hear firecrackers. Like, my vibe's gone. Yo, I'm so freaking proud of my city. Like, whoa, Canada. Oh, Canada. Our home and native land. Whoa, yo.